Is inflation hitting you hard? Are you also worried about the rising fuel cost or the rising food prices? So in this video, let's understand the two types of inflation. So what is inflation? जब भी हमारी इकोनॉमी में महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है over a period of time, that is called inflation. There are two types of inflation. The first one is demand pull inflation and the other one is cost push inflation. Whenever the consumer demand increases more than supply, maybe because our economy is expanding significantly, or the unemployment rate is going down, or the government has increased the spending in the economy, they all lead to a strong consumer demand scenario. आपने देखा होगा आईफोन के प्राइसेस कॉन्स्टेंटली राइज करते रहते हैं. Why? Because the demand constantly keeps rising and that leads to increase in prices of iPhone. The other one is cost push inflation. Whenever the demand remains constant while the supply keeps shrinking, that leads to cost push inflation. It could be because of several reasons, maybe because there is a war, or there is a national calamity, or the government has imposed certain mandatory taxes. They all lead to increased cost of production. आपने देखा होगा पुअर मॉनसून की वजह से फूड प्राइसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, and that is an example of cost push inflation. Whatever may be the case, be it the demand pull inflation or the cost push inflation, they both lead to increase in prices of goods and services in an economy, and they are actually passed on to the consumer.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.